And this question is given that the initial length of two rods A and B are in the ratio 3 is to 5. So we can digress length of first rod by length of second rod is in the ratio 3 is to 5. And coefficient of linear expansions are in the ratio 5 is to 3. So we can write the value of alpha 1 by alpha 2 is in the ratio 5 divided by 3. If the rods are heated from 35 to 65 degrees Celsius, that means delta T is same in both the cases, the ratio of their expansion will be. So RM is to find out the value of delta L1 divided by delta L2. So we can write delta L is equal to initial length into alpha 1 into delta T, and delta 2 is initial length into alpha 2 into delta T. So the change in temperature is given as same. So we can write L1 by L2 is equal to delta L1 by L2 is equal to L1 alpha 1 and divided by L2 alpha 2, or you can write this as L1 by L2 into alpha 1 divided by alpha 2. So L1 by L2 is nothing but 3 by 5, and alpha 1 by alpha 2 is nothing but 5 by 3. So they will get cancelled, so you can write they are in the ratio 1 is to 1.